Hello, today I'm going to transfer this turf cap plant which is in the water in our hydroponic system. You can see this is growing very well, and we bought it from Lowe's. It's called turf cap, or in Hindi is called Gudhal, and this is comes every year and bloom in the summer and fall. So I'm going to transfer this into flower pot. So I have already organic compost and some soil to mix together, and then we'll transfer. So let's ready to make it transfer this turf cap or Gudhal plant. So to transfer the turf cap plant, I choose this pot, and here I have this organic compost which I have just taken out from my pot, and here is this old soil I'm taking out. This soil is very good for, it has some sand and everything. So I'm going to mix all these two together with this organic compost, and then make it ready for this turf cap plant will transfer in this pot. So now I have already mixed this soil. I'm going to transfer it into pot. Remaining soil we can use for some other purpose or plant in any other. We need to make some hole, and then I will top it off with this after planting this. So now our soil is ready, and then it's very easy. You can see I always put this in the plant in the water, and this has very good roots here. Yay. And just cover it everything, and then we'll top it off with some more soil around it so that it can grow very well. So this turf cap or Gudhal plant is very good. Its leaves are very medicinal, have uses. Now I'm going to place it here in this corner. So now I place this here, in it will get direct sun. This is the south west side, and I will show you after some time how the plant is growing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video.